It might have locked up, jammed up, because it's so new. It jams up a lot.
You need a bigger grid ammo, like that has more power.
Yeah, I might have some with me. I don't know. This is the regular shit. I have the high velocity, but it's at home. It didn't shoot out the shell again.
Yeah, that usually happens with a lot of semi-automatics. Cheap ammo.
We've only put like maybe 100 rounds through it. It's pretty new.
This guy's coming over here on a quad. Hey, you want to wait? Hold on, wait, because that looks like a farmer coming.
This is que esperas.